Hey guys, so I've been going through a lot of my stuff that I pulled out of the micro tiny house, and I came across a bag of merch that I had made a little whiles back for my float home and the adventure I was going to embark on with that and the Airbnb, and it was called the wind just shut the door. The Bohemian Hideaway, and I made all of this merch for that, so I want to show it to you because I'm really unsure what to do with it. Either I in the future come up with another tiny house and call it the same thing, the Bohemian Hideaway, or the Bohemian Hideaway .2, or I don't know, but I hate to waste all this stuff. I don't know what to do with it. I don't know if I should just, sell it as a remembrance of the Bohemian Hideaway, or keep it to sell it when I possibly come up with another Bohemian Hideaway. But anyways, I just want to show you what these are. I have these all professionally made. There's some shirts and hats and koozies and stuff, but I will show you the koozies first. This is one of them right here. The Bohemian Hideaway, and it was originally in Boca Grande, but then recently, like 2 months ago in August, it was brought over to Captiva. So some of these say Boca Grande on them, some of them don't say that at all, but that was one of them. This is the other design with the surfboard. This one had the hibiscus on it. And then I had some of these. I don't know if that's coming in clear or not, but screen. I don't know. It says the Bohemian Hideaway Floating Tiny House, Boca Grande. And then I just have different color koozies. Same design, different color koozie. This is a different design with the palm trees. And let's see, another one, a different palm tree design. And then these are kind of the same, different colored fonts, but same design, different color koozie. And then I have these as well. These ones are vinyl. And then these ones are, there's sublimation, I think is the way they're printed on there. I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong, but it's been a while since these have been made, and I looked into that type of thing, so I don't remember if I'm using the correct word or not. Then we had, I had a bunch of hats made, and these are my favorite. So I bought a bunch of hats, and then I had personally made, not personally, but I had custom made leather patches to go on them with these same prints on them that was etched into them. So here's one of them, and these are just your standard snapbacks. And some of them have Boca Grande etched on the side of them. Some of them do not. We have this one. And we have this design. Again, these are all just your regular snapbacks. This one. And this one says Boca Grande on the side. Had those stitched in there. This one, this one, this one, and this one, which this one says Boca Grande on the side too. I had two of these. The other one was pink, and you may have seen me wearing it in some of my videos, but I liked that one the best. I like this one too. I like them all actually. So I have those, and then this was just a cheap little hat for my channel that I had made. It's just nothing special but my logo, my old logo, with the float home on it and the fish as the sea in Chick. And this was before I came Florida Chick's Tiny Adventures, before I was just Florida Chick Adventures. So this is never to be seen again type of merch right here. This is one of a kind stuff. And then I have a few shirts left. I'll show you some of those designs. These are all fishing shirts. So your sport tech that are, you know, breathable, moisture wicking t-shirts. And then on the back, you have the same as what was on those Koozies. The Bohemian Hideaway, Floating Tiny House, Boca Grande, and then down the arm it says Boca Grande, Florida. And then on the front you have a small chest piece of the same print. So I have a few of these left, and this is another same exact design, just different colors in it. And the side piece. And the chest piece. This is a large, a men's large. And this one is a men's small, but I wear the men's small, and I'm 105 pounds soaking wet with army boots on, so that should give you a size reference. It's a little bit big on me, obviously. It doesn't fit tight like this would. We have this one. Same thing, down the sides, in the front. This is a large as well. These are great fishing shirts. We did a lot of that while we were out there, so I had these type of shirts specifically made up. And, oh, we have a couple of these ones. These are like for the taller, the skinnier, like White Claw drinks. That one. And this was another design that I had. I had some t-shirts made up like this, but I had sold them a while ago. And that just says the Bohemian Hideaway and Boca Grande, Florida. And then I've got a bunch of stickers. Oh, let me cover my phone number. I'll snip that off there at the bottom, but yeah. It's showing up backwards, but the Bohemian Hideaway, Boca Grande, Florida. So if any of you guys would like to purchase any of this stuff, I guess just you can send me an email or comment down below and say which of these items that you liked. Obviously this is just first come, first serve. This is what I have. I'm not making any more of them. So yeah, your best bet would be to email me at, it'll be in the description as well, at Florida Chick's Tiny Adventures, and that's Florida just FL Chick's Tiny Adventures at gmail.com. And let me know what you want, which size of the shirts you wanted, if you wanted one of the hats, or which specific design, and the same with the Koozies. And the Koozies are going to be $5 donation, and the hats are going to be a $25 donation, and the shirts are going to be a $35 donation. And this is going to include free shipping, so wherever you are, except if you're international. I don't know how that's going to work. If you are international, still get in touch with me and we can kind of figure out how shipping goes. Maybe we can split the cost of that, or my daughter's really good at all this stuff. She ships stuff out all the time, and so she can help me with that, hopefully. She has a online vintage western wear boutique, and her Instagram is called It's Bucking Turquoise, and I'll put a link up here somewhere to the name of her company. It's ITSBUCKING and then turquoise. I'm gonna try to spell that out. Turquoise. Tur turquoise. Maybe, I don't know. Anyways, yes, and then stickers, I'll throw you in some free stickers, however many you want, just let me know. So that's it, and yes, I will see you either tomorrow or sometime. I don't know. I'm kind of up in the air with my videos. If I feel like I have something to talk about or show you, I'll film it and I'll put it up. If not, it'll wait a couple days. But hope you guys are all well, and I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you soon. Bye.